Hey, how's it going guys? Stefan is here. Welcome back for another video. Very excited as always. 2021. Wow, it's been a very hard year for everyone, and I think we should think positive, always think for the good, and smile more. And now we are in 2021. This is going to be a very good year. I think many people will agree, and I wish that everyone is going to be happy, be good, smile, and yeah, just think positive basically. So enjoy, be helpful, and a lot of success. I hope this year. I think many people will have, and small creators just keep going. This is gonna be a just normal video for today, just a little bit, I don't know, just to give you my new year resolution for 2021. And you always should have something in your mind when you start a new year. And my resolution for this year is going to be, I hope this doesn't sound very crazy, but 10,000 subscribers. So this is my new resolution for 2021. Think positive, the sky is the limit. So 10,000 subscribers for 2021. We'll see if we'll achieve this goal. But yeah, you always should have a goal the beginning of year. So let me know what is your new resolution for 2021. Leave it in the comments down below. And yeah, just a quick video to say hello, and just to remind you that you should smile more, be positive, be happy, and yeah, this is very important. So yeah, this is Stefan. My new resolution for 2021 is to hit 10,000 subscribers. So we'll see if we'll achieve. This is the beginning of the year 2021, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video.